Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Oracle Touch espresso machine after the tune-up and after replacing these water level probes. It's all broken and was leaking from almost all this type of O-rings in the steam boiler. So I replaced like 5 of them, and even in the brew boiler there was kind of leaking around the hoses connected in there. And I just did deep cleaning for the grinder, and I recalibrated. It was like on 1 or 2 to get the fine grinds, but now it's gonna get fine grind even in the 25 setting. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot on it. That's just to test the machine. So if the flow was slow from through the group through the portafilter, that means the grind is finer than it's supposed to. If it's fast, you need to go to finer. So I'll keep it for the customer to calibrate it as much as he in the way he likes it. But now we're gonna test it. I just wanna pull some water from the group head. This is the pre-infusion, and then after that it's gonna give the this is it. This is before I do the shot and the steamer. Yeah, that steam wand also got deep cleaning. It's clean itself. And let me test the hot water. That's perfect. Here's how it's going now. It's hard a little bit with the new group head gasket. This is the old one. After actually the group head get really deep cleaning and get a new silicone gasket with the shower screen. So let's pull. No, let's stop it. Usually I like to do the double shot. This is how I like to test. It needs to be a little bit more finer, but that's easy calibrating, so the customer can do it himself. So yeah, if we go to finer grind, it's gonna be less amount of water with the coffee and more, it's gonna be stronger. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.